Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this totally healthy, vegan, oil-free and eggless mayonnaise. So if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe if you haven't already. So I've soaked a handful of cashew nuts in a little bit of water. Soak it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now transfer the soaked cashew nuts into a mixer grinder and add a little bit of the soaked water. Don't add too much water because we don't want it to be too runny. Now add 2 cloves of garlic. If you don't like the taste of garlic too much, just add 1. Next, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can add a pinch of pepper if you like. Now close the lid and blend it to a smooth and fine paste. This will take around 45 to 50 seconds. Blend it well, and when you open the lid, you can see that you'll have a nice and smooth, a very healthy, eggless and oil-free and totally vegan mayonnaise. So I hope you liked this recipe. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and do check out my other recipes and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.